For the past few weeks, we have been doing a STEM activity helping the groundskeepers put their phone in a phone case so they don't get chopped up or destroyed by the tractor.
And each person came up with a design. When they came up with a design, they went to their groups and either chose the best design or they worked together to improve it.
Then they came up with a design to make it stronger or easy to use.
And then the groups made a prototype to see what the rough design was going to look like.
This is our prototype. The prototype may have changed drastically or not so much in Maker's Empire when we were making it. Our design had to be changed quite a bit during this process.
When we made our prototype, we found all the problems and fixed them.
We went on the computers to create a phone holder. What are you going to do with those things?
So the fidget spinner would go.
The feedback that we got for our design was really helpful because it helped us improve our design to make it better.
We had to redesign it because it was too small and wouldn't have fit. So we went back on Maker's Empire and tried again.
This was our first attempt on the 3D printer, and as you can see, it was a big fail because there wasn't enough support in this design.
So we had to make some changes.
We had to make sure the size was right so Michael's or Big Fish's phone would fit into the holder.
We thought about sustainability and not using much material, which was difficult because the phone holders had to be quite large to hold the phones properly.
This is our group's creation that we have designed. It is pretty strong and solid and it doesn't need many support structures.
We had to make sure it was less than 150 millimeters, which is 15 centimeters, so that it would fit in the 3D printer.
We collaborated and got there in the end.
Through the design process, we found some things challenging.
It was challenging every step of the way, but we were resilient and tried our best.
These are some designs we came up with.
We learned a lot about 3D printing and design while completing our task and hope we can solve more problems in the future.